Hello and welcome to this new video. This video is pretty spontaneous because I have received today a box with NaN models. So I'm really excited to unbox them. I already had a quick look inside the box, so they came with a better protection than they are now. But I think that's not a problem. And I'm pretty excited because I designed the models completely by my own. So I'm really interested how they look like in real life. And there's also a new version of NaN model inside the box, so kind of a premiere. And yeah, so we will unbox it now together and I will build it up so you can have a quick look on it. So here's the box. And yeah, let's start.
The first model that you see here is a Big Flap Explorer in a FAI limit version. That means it will have ready to fly a wing loading of 12 grams per square decimeter. In FAI FFJ competitions it's not allowed to fly lower wing loadings than that. So with 9-degree wing joiners the flying weight of the model needs to be over 1135 grams. To reach such a weight, the model needs to be built really light, and that's obviously not that easy. Even more impressive for me is now the build quality of this model. The paint job and surface quality is absolutely amazing. Also the pressure resistance while touching the wing is pretty impressive considering the weight of the model. And here you see now the second model. This is a special version for the needs of the new GPS triangle light glass configured by myself. The estimated flying weight of the model will be approximately around 1700 grams. With ballast should be a flying weight of 2700 grams or more possible. The wing is a modified Explorer 3 wing with ballast tubes inside the center panel. On this wing you don't feel any flexing while touching it. It is incredibly strong, so absolutely great and easy for the daily use. The fuselage is the long slim version. The nose for this particular model is a bit bigger and built in glass fiber. So the installation of the electronic components for GPS flying should be very easy. Please let me know in the comment section if you want to see anything particular with that models on my YouTube channel here in future. It is a little bit sad that I probably can't use the models this year in competitions because of COVID-19. But I'm considering to compete at the online contest Speed RC OLC. Now we came to the end of this video. Thanks for watching it. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, I would be thankful if you could do this. I will upload in future more content with RC flying, and I wish you now a nice day and goodbye.